Hi friends, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix the hypervisor error in Windows, here are some of the options. The first option would be is to enable Hyper-V option in features. Now this will only work if you have the professional version of Windows. So we'll look for turn Windows features on and off, and we will find a box here titled Hyper-V. Just click it, press OK, and that should solve the problem. Now, if that doesn't solve the problem, we have to restart the Hyper-V services. How do we do that? We look for services, open, and we search for the Hyper-V services. Now, we'll find all these different Hyper-V services. So we have to right click on them and start them one by one. Now this will only work again on the professional version of Windows. The third option we have is to update the drivers. So how do we do that? We right click on the start button. We go for settings. Update. Advanced options. And we look for optional updates. And we update if there are any optional updates here. Now if that too doesn't work, then we have to use the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Now how do we do that? We press the Windows key and R together. That will open a box. We type the code MDSCHED and press OK. And we press restart now and check for problems, and that should resolve the issue. Now if all these options don't work, the last thing we can do is perform an SFC scan. So we do that by opening command prompt in the administrator mode, and we type in the command SFC space / scan now SCANNOW and press the enter button. This should fix the error. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your day.